What if your brain had a button for updates? Just one click and pow! Your confidence skyrockets, your fears vanish, and you're in full-on success mode. Sounds wild, huh? But it's not any crazier than those late-night thoughts that keep you tossing and turning. Today, I'm going to share how you can rewire your brain for success. No fancy lab gear or potions required. Let's dive in. Here's the scoop. Your brain is like a supercomputer, but many of us are running it on an outdated system. Every thought you have is like a line of code. If your code says, "I can't," your brain just follows that script like a loyal robot. But when you start saying, "I can, I will, I'm meant for this," your brain gets the memo and updates itself. Think of it this way. Your brain's like new code detected. Activating success mode. No magic needed here, just practice. Step 1, spot those negative thoughts. Step 2, swap them out for empowering beliefs. Step 3, repeat until your brain stops questioning you. When you catch yourself thinking, "I'll never make it," flip it to, "I'm growing, I'm learning, I can't be stopped." Say it loud, say it proud. You can't just download a success mindset with a weak connection. If you're hanging out with folks who think big dreams are unrealistic, you'll start to shrink your own dreams too. Guess what? But if you surround yourself with people who encourage growth, like motivational podcasts, inspiring books, or that friend who's always cheering you on, even for the little wins, your mental strength will improve. Choose your crew carefully. Not everyone should have access to your vibe. Visualization isn't just daydreaming with some cool tunes. It's a powerful mental tool. Every successful person envisioned their achievements before they happened. So picture it, feel it, speak it, and act like it's already yours. And if someone catches you talking to yourself, just say, "Nah, I'm just upgrading my system." Remember, your mind isn't against you. It's your best asset. Stop waiting for success to come knocking. Go into your settings and make it happen. If this gave your brain a little boost, smash that like button like you're crushing those old excuses. Hit subscribe for more weekly tips and drop a comment saying, "Let's create success, one mental upgrade at a time." I'm ready to upgrade my mindset.